introduce ourselves first.
Hi guys, my name is Kansa. My student number is 13.
Hi guys, my name is Kire. My student number is 14.
Hi guys, my name is Tifia Naira. My student number is 15.
Hello guys, my name is Tika Shomi. My student number 31.
Let's get into the video. Enjoy! Hey guys, does anyone know when is Somi's birthday?
I don't know, but I heard it will be very soon.
I know, it falls on this month.
Wow, what if we prepare a surprise for her?
Nice idea.
Comment down, let's buy a gift first.
Let's go!
Do any of my friends remember my birthday? I will be happy if anyone remembers.
24 hours later.
Happy birthday, Somi!
Congratulations on turning 40, Somi.
Hope all your dreams come true. My prayers are always with you.
Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you for present.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching.